Car vlog, part 2. So yeah, today a little different. Got a broken door lock actuator. This happens on a lot of cars, like just about every car like ever made, I'm pretty sure. So yeah, the way you diagnose it. Okay, so when I put my key in the door, I can lock and unlock like this manually. But when I go to use my key fob, doesn't want to unlock. Nothing's moving there. Some of the tools you'll need a panel popper to get the door panel off, and just some screwdrivers. Another thing, depending on what kind of bracket you have in your door, you might also need a socket set. It also never hurts to have some pliers. Went online, ordered the actuator. This one's specific to the passenger door, I'm pretty sure. Not all cars are side specific. I'm pretty sure some have universal that fit both sides. But this one in particular is the passenger one only. Okay, I'm trying to film a video here and you're being a prick, so yeah, that's why we're fixing it. You're gonna have to get out. Step one, we're gonna start. Probably a good place is wherever the biggest gap is gonna be. So, I feel a nice gap down here. You don't want to pry anything too hard. You run the risk of breaking all the plastic clips that hold on your door. Another tip would be to try to pry where the clips are. It's kind of like a finesse thing.
The worst part about it is it literally sounds like you're like breaking it.
I know. Once you get the bottom off, see everything. Not to mention, most car handles are going to have a screw holding them. And this one is below your window button. Oh, there we go.
Do you get it?
Alright. There you go. There's another bolt. Another screw. So, second screw fell out with the rest of the door. This is my door. What the fuck does this do? Is this like soundproofing? Alright, after some research, we're back. Apparently there's a tiny little clip. There's a tiny little clip you can see right here that needs to get pushed. So, last Phillips screw. Oh, there's two. Didn't see the second one. Okay. Once you got all that done, you're gonna have a clip holding on your bar that goes to your handle. You're gonna want to slide this off without breaking it. Basically, just gonna push this to the side, and then that'll come right off. The second part is going to be your plug for your door locks switch. that out of the way. The door should slide. Alright, so you're going to want a flathead screwdriver to pull out your window switch. This kind of clips. Let's use a pliers. One piece of tape. Alright, so this thing, just peel it out of the way. As you can see, I've gone ahead and taken off the 2 pin connectors that are on the door lock assembly. Now I'm gonna have to do the 2 rods here. You can see the gold and the silver one. And they have clips on them, so I will get back to you when that's done. So those 2 rods are disconnected. Now it's time to take off these 3 screws here. Okay, so these 3 bolts suck a lot. Alright, just when you think you're done, you're not. So as you can see, this window track also has to come out. That was the bolt right there. That's a 10mm. Once you get this piece off, we're going to be replacing the black part only. So there's a couple clips and go ahead and make sure the tab's lined up and it fits in. Great. Put our bracket back on the assembly. Once you've got the bracket on, this should all slide back in. It's so late. Do you see that? That's amazing.
Oh, dude, yeah, it's really. Anybody else? It's probably that crazy old guy who's trying to sell my bitch.
This is good.
Are you waiting for this piece, sir?
Yeah. Alright, I forgot to record the rest, but basically everything went back together pretty smoothly. The door handle goes back in and clips back on, along with the door lock switch, and the clip that attaches to it, and also the window actuator switch that clips into it also goes back in. You also, of course, have to do the couple screws that hold the door on, and then you're pretty much done. That's pretty much the whole thing done. So yeah, if you made it this far, hopefully you learned something. Also, if I forgot anything, make sure to leave it in the comments below. It'd be greatly appreciated. Thanks for watching. So if you guys are wondering why I haven't uploaded in a while, yeah, so that happened. The laptop out during Thanksgiving, and one of the youngins just decided to take the liberty to do that, so that's it.